I still can't believe what these simulators can do. I really felt like I was right there racing with Doc. Man, does that bring back some memories.
Well, get ready for another blast from the past. Looks like you're up next.
Quite a week in racing. After the break, we pull into the slower-than-slow lane with old-timer Lightning McQueen to discuss the ill-advised continuation of his career. Hey, Lightning! Thanks for stopping by!
Ill-advised? Chick,
All right, I'll level with you. Old 95 still gets big ratings for some reason.
Oh, I get it. Fans love a comeback story, right?
Comeback story? That's hilarious! Nah, nothing gets viewers revved like a massive crash and burn. And you are overdue, my friend. Right, Natalie?
Well, there are a few red flags in your statistics, Lightning. Going by the numbers, I'd say...
See, that's the problem, Natalie. You can't rely on numbers alone. Racing's something you have to feel and experience, right, Cruz?
Yeah, I mean, if I've learned anything from Mr. McQueen, it's that you need skill as well as speed.
Interesting. Jackson Storm, care to weigh in?
Far be it from me to correct an elder statesman and his entourage.
Wait, are we recording?
Always! Wow, you're as slow as ever. So what do you say, Jackson? You up for a race with these two?
Anytime, chick. And just to be sporting, I'll give them time to get ready. You know, run a few warm-up races until Natalie's sure their stats are top-notch.
Top-notch? Hey, I beat you once, Jackson, and I'll do it again.
Ooh, now that is good TV. I'll have my guys on location to track his lack of progress, and we'll even bring out the big guns in the Studio Simulator. Join us this season as Chicks Picks with Chick Hicks presents the Lightning Storm Cruise, with Lightning, Storm, and Cruise.